मुझे थोड़ी ताजी हवा चाहिए। आई नीड सम फ्रेश एयर। आई नीड सम फ्रेश एयर। चलो थोड़ी देर बाहर बैठते हैं। लेट्स सीट आउटसाइड फॉर अ व्हाइल। लेट्स सीट आउटसाइड फॉर अ व्हाइल। इससे मुझे अच्छा महसूस होता है। दिस मेक्स मी फील गुड। दिस मेक्स मी फील गुड। मुझे अब काफी बेहतर लग रहा है। आई फील मच बेटर नाउ। आई फील मच बेटर नाउ। मैं धीरे धीरे ठीक हो रही हूँ। आई एम गेटिंग बेटर स्लोली। आई एम गेटिंग बेटर स्लोली। तुमने यह कब सीखा? When did you learn this? When did you learn this? मैंने इसे खुद सीखा। I learned it myself. I learned it myself. मैं अभी सीख रही हूँ। I am still learning. I am still learning. मुझे इसमें और अभ्यास चाहिए। I need more practice in this. I need more practice in this. मैं हर दिन अभ्यास करती हूँ। I practice every day. I practice every day. मुझे इसमें सुधार करना है। I need to improve in this. I need to improve in this. मैं अपनी पूरी कोशिश कर रही हूँ। I am doing my best. I am doing my best. मेरी कोशिश बेकार नहीं जाएगी। My efforts won't go to waste. My efforts won't go to waste. मुझे अपनी प्रगति पर खुशी है। I am happy with my progress. I am happy with my progress. मैं अभी भी बहुत कुछ सीख रही हूँ। I am still learning a lot. I am still learning a lot. कृपया मुझे एक मौका दें। Please give me a chance. Please give me a chance. मैं आपको निराश नहीं करूंगी। I won't disappoint you. I won't disappoint you. मैं अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश करूंगी। I'll do my best. I'll do my best. मुझसे गलती हो सकती है। I may make a mistake. I may make a mistake. गलती होना सामान्य बात है। Making mistakes is normal. Making mistakes is normal. अगली बार मैं बेहतर करूंगी। I'll do better next time. I'll do better next time. मैंने अपनी गलती से बहुत कुछ सीखा। I learned a lot from my mistake. I learned a lot from my mistake. मुझे अपनी गलती दोहरानी नहीं है। I don't want to repeat my mistake. I don't want to repeat my mistake. मैं इस बार सावधान रहूंगी। I'll be careful this time. I'll be careful this time. अब मुझे बेहतर पता है। Now I know better. Now I know better. क्या तुम्हें मेरी बात सुनाई दे रही है? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? मुझे आपकी आवाज साफ सुनाई दे रही है। I can hear you clearly. I can hear you clearly. आपका कनेक्शन टूट रहा है। Your connection is breaking up. Your connection is breaking up. 1 मिनट के लिए रुकिए। Hold on for a minute. Hold on for a minute. मैं आपको बाद में फोन करती हूँ। I'll call you later. I'll call you later. अभी बात करना सुविधाजनक नहीं है। It's not convenient to talk right now. It's not convenient to talk right now. क्या मैं आपको बाद में कॉल करूं? Shall I call you later? Shall I call you later? मुझे आपका फोन नहीं मिला. I didn't get your call. I didn't get your call. मेरा फोन साइलेंट पर था. My phone was on silent. My phone was on silent. मैं फोन के पास नहीं थी. I wasn't near my phone. I wasn't near my phone. मुझे यह जगह पसंद है. I like this place. I like this place. यहाँ बहुत भीड़ है. It's very crowded here. It's very crowded here. यहाँ बहुत शांति है. It's very peaceful here. It's very peaceful here. यहाँ बैठने की जगह नहीं है. There is no place to sit here. There is no place to sit here. चलो दूसरी जगह चलते हैं. Let's go somewhere else. Let's go somewhere else. यह जगह मेरे घर के पास है. This place is near my home. This place is near my home. मैं यहाँ पहली बार आई हूँ. I have come here for the first time. I have come here for the first time. क्या तुम यहाँ पहले आए हो? Have you been here before? Have you been here before? यहाँ का खाना अच्छा है. The food here is good. The food here is good. यहाँ फिर आना अच्छा रहेगा. It would be nice to come here again. It would be nice to come here again. आज कौन सा दिन है? What day is it today? What day is it today? आज सोमवार है. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. आज तारीख क्या है? What is today's date? What is today's date? कल कौन सा दिन है? What day is tomorrow? What day is tomorrow? मुझे तारीख याद नहीं है. I don't remember the date. I don't remember the date. इस महीने बहुत काम है. There is a lot of work this month. There is a lot of work this month. अगले महीने में व्यस्त रहूंगी. I'll be busy next month. I'll be busy next month. इस सप्ताह मेरा शेड्यूल व्यस्त है. My schedule is busy this week. My schedule is busy this week. अगले सप्ताह मिलते हैं. Let's meet next week. Let's meet next week. मुझे अपनी योजना बदलनी पड़ेगी. I'll have to change my plan. I'll have to change my plan. क्या तुम्हारी कोई योजना है? Do you have any plans? Do you have any plans? मैंने अभी तक कुछ तय नहीं किया है. I haven't decided anything yet. I haven't decided anything yet. चलो पहले योजना बनाते हैं. Let's make a plan first. Let's make a plan first. हमारी योजना बदल गई. Our plan has changed. Our plan has changed. योजना के अनुसार सब हुआ. Everything went according to plan. Everything went according to plan. यह योजना अच्छी लग रही है. This plan looks good. This plan looks good. हमें दूसरा रास्ता ढूंढना होगा. We'll have to find another way. We'll have to find another way. चलो इसे बाद में तय करते हैं. Let's decide this later. Let's decide this later. पहले अपनी प्राथमिकता तय करो. Decide your priority first. Decide your priority first. मुझे अपनी प्राथमिकताएं बदलनी होगी. I will have to change my priorities. I will have to change my priorities. क्या तुमने दरवाजा लॉक किया? Did you lock the door? Did you lock the door? क्या गैस बंद कर दी? Did you turn off the gas? Did you turn off the gas? क्या लाइट बंद कर दी? Did you turn off the light? Did you turn off the light? क्या खिड़की बंद है? Is the window closed? Is the window closed? बाहर मत जाना. Don't go outside. Don't go outside. बच्चों पर नजर रखो. Keep an eye on the children. Keep an eye on the children. बच्चे कहाँ खेल रहे हैं? Where are the children playing? Where are the children playing? उन्हें अकेले मत छोड़ो. Don't leave them alone. Don't leave them alone. उन्हें अंदर बुलाओ. Call them inside. Call them inside. सबको खाना परोस दो. Serve food to everyone. Serve food to everyone. मुझे थोड़ी देर पढ़ना है. I need to study for a while. I need to study for a while. मुझे परीक्षा की तैयारी करनी है. I have to prepare for the exam. I have to prepare for the exam. मेरी परीक्षा नजदीक है. My exam is near. My exam is near. मुझे यह विषय कठिन लगता है. I find this subject difficult. I find this subject difficult. मुझे यह विषय आसान लगता है. I find this subject easy. I find this subject easy. मुझे नोट्स चाहिए. I need the notes. I need the notes. क्या तुम अपने नोट्स साझा करोगे? Will you share your notes? Will you share your notes? मुझे यह सवाल हल करना है. I need to solve this question. I need to solve this question. इसका हल क्या है? What is the solution to this? What is the solution to this? मैं इसका जवाब ढूंढ रही हूँ. I am looking for the answer. I am looking for the answer. मुझे थोड़ी देर सोना है. I need to sleep for a while. I need to sleep for a while. आज मुझे नींद नहीं आई. I didn't sleep well today. I didn't sleep well today. मैं पूरी रात जागती रही. I stayed awake all night. I stayed awake all night. मुझे जल्दी नींद आ जाती है. I fall asleep quickly. I fall asleep quickly. मुझे देर से नींद आती है. I fall asleep late. I fall asleep late. मुझे सुबह जगाना मत भूलना. Don't forget to wake me up in the morning. Don't forget to wake me up in the morning. मुझे थोड़ी देर और सोने दो. Let me sleep little longer. Let me sleep a little longer. अब उठने का समय है. It's time to get up now. It's time to get up now. मुझे यह समझ नहीं आ रहा कि क्या करूं। I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. पहले शांत हो जाओ। Calm down first. Calm down first. घबराने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। There is no need to panic. There is no need to panic. सब कुछ धीरे धीरे ठीक हो जाएगा। Everything will get better gradually. Everything will get better gradually. हमें कोई रास्ता जरूर मिलेगा। We'll definitely find a way. We'll definitely find the way. इस समस्या का समाधान निकालना होगा। We need to find a solution to this problem. We need to find a solution to this problem. चलो मिलकर इसे हल करते हैं। Let's solve it together. Let's solve it together. मुझे तुम्हारा साथ चाहिए। I need your support. I need your support. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा साथ दूंगी। I will always support you. I will always support you. हम इसे मिलकर कर सकते हैं। We can do it together. We can do it together. मुझे इस बात की चिंता है। I am concerned about this. I am concerned about this. मुझे नहीं पता आगे क्या होगा। I don't know what will happen next. I don't know what will happen next. हमें इंतजार करके देखना होगा। We'll have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see. अभी कुछ कहना मुश्किल है। It's difficult to say anything right now. It's difficult to say anything right now. समय आने पर पता चलेगा। We will know when the time comes. We will know when the time comes. मुझे उम्मीद है कि सब ठीक होगा। I hope everything will be fine. I hope everything will be fine. मैं सकारात्मक रहने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ। I am trying to stay positive. I am trying to stay positive. हमें हार नहीं माननी चाहिए। We shouldn't give up. We shouldn't give up. हमें आगे बढ़ते रहना चाहिए। We should keep moving forward. We should keep moving forward. मुश्किल समय हमेशा नहीं रहता। Difficult times don't last forever. Difficult times don't last forever.